My name is Mark Probasco. I'm the Deputy Director of Prosecutions at the Attorney General's Office. The case that I'm talking about this afternoon is State versus Jerry J. Now, Jerry J has been convicted and sentenced of first-degree kidnapping and second-degree murder. This case is important because recently, just within the last year, the Attorney General's Office has been able to address issues of missing and murdered Indigenous people, and this was the first case where we were able to help bring resolution to a family affected by violent crime. That family being the family of Cecilia Finona, a 31-year Army veteran and member of the Navajo Nation. In 2019, Cecilia Finona was murdered in cold blood by Jerry J. In terms of the evidence that we had in this case, we had some preliminary video of the last time that Cecilia was seen alive. We had blood tracks inside of the driveway. We also had video of what Jerry J did over the next few days as he attempted to get away with this crime. What Jerry J did, above and beyond trying to cover the blood tracks that were in the driveway of Cecilia's home, was he took her still living body through the state of New Mexico, through Arizona, through California, until eventually he actually backtracked to Las Vegas, Nevada, just outside it, and disposed of her body inside of a culvert where she would not be found for an additional 2 years. 2 years where the family did not have resolution of what had happened to her or why she disappeared. We ended up having additional information that was developed with the assistance of forensic anthropologists, forensic pathologists, and also DNA analysts that were able to piece together a picture of someone who not only killed in cold blood, but took every step within his power to try to get away with it. 2 years was a period of time where the evidence that was available for law enforcement was the fact that he took Cecilia's debit cards and her own truck in an attempt to dispose of her body. Now, thankfully, due to the concerted action of law enforcement in Arizona and in Nevada, and prosecutors in particular out of the 11th Judicial District Attorney's Office, we were able to put together the evidence of exactly what Jerry J did in May of 2019, of exactly what steps he undertook to try to get away with this crime, and ultimately, as reflected in this sentence, achieved a just outcome, not just for Cecilia, and not just for the community up in Farmington, but also for the family able to get justice for a missing family member who had been killed and affected by violent crime.